inside the PCR. Is there an amplification or not? All of you please see here. Your friends. You too.
Tamam.
You know, here is a gel dock or gel electrophoresis. With this dock, we use a UV light, and we can see if there is any amplification or not, or any bond or not. Or for example, if your patient is infected with a bacterial or viral infection, you can see with, for example, the amplification and the gel dock. Each of this bond is a stand for each, for example, each bacterial or viral, so DNA in your, for example, the patient, if for example infected. Okay. So very simple. And any question?
No.
You understand this? You, please come here. So for example, in your final exam, if I ask you, so what is this? Yes. You don't know?
Yes, because I don't see. Just
So
I see
ask
the
me, yes.
video after that.
Okay. So any of any one of you, please, you. What does this, for example, bond means? For example, this is your exam, and you have to write down the answer. You don't know, so you.
DNA chain.
Yeah, you are. You don't know.
Yes.
You.
All
You.
of them.
No, all of you know.
Yes.
Again,
Again,
Okay.
but we don't see. So.
and I will ask you again.
DNA.
Each of this bond is the result of DNA amplification with PCR. Okay?
Yeah.
In practical, when your patient come to you, you are the doctor, you order the lab. I want to understand, I want to diagnose with the molecular test if my patient is or has any infection or not. With the PCR and the gel electrophoresis, we can see the DNA of the pathogens inside the body of your patient. So each bond here means that your patient, for example, this for patient 1, patient 2, patient 3, patient. Each bond means your patient is infected. Okay? Again, please, you come here again. Yes. So you can hear. Okay. What is the benefit of the PCR?
To know if my patient is have any disease or not.
Very good. So what does this?
I
for
can
example-
see.
Again. Okay. I will repeat for more than 10 times
Until you understand.
until you understand. Okay. This bond
Bonds
is the result.
Every patient have bonds.
Yes. This bond is a result of that machine.
Yeah.
Okay, you see there.
Yeah.
There is the result of amplification.
Yeah.
And this means that your patient inside her or his body is a DNA of the bacterial or viral infection.
But
We get that DNA and use the PCR, and with this doc, we can check the amplification. Okay?
Okay.
Very simple.
I understand.
You. So what is the meaning of the bond?
It's about sterilization of infected bacteria. You can use.
Okay, very good. You see and hear. So what does it mean?
We can.
You know, you will see this exactly in your final exam. In final exam,
We can.
you again. And he will again tell you that I didn't see. So what does it mean? For example, this is your final exam.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
so what is your answer?
We specify of the patient and we come your DNA. with
Forget about the patient.
With the PCR.
Just tell me, what does it mean, this bond?
This one?
It's the result of amplification. Very
Okay.
simple. Amplification of
Yes,
what?
yes.
Of PCR.
Yes.
Over there you see. Okay?
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Very good. You? Yes. Again, you did that. He will say again.
Yeah.
So, for example, this is your final exam,
Yeah.
and I will ask you, what does this bond means?
That pump
Yes, this bond.
means if
That's the result
of
of
result of
amplification.
amplification
Very
of the
good.
bench.
You understand?
Yes,
You?
yeah.
You? Very good. You please. So what is your name?